This 2024 Nexus Phantom 30P is a Class C RV. It is located in Muskegon, Michigan, 49442 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Muskegon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2024 Nexus Phantom 30P is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.